Hello, I'm Natalie Glasson from the Sacred School of OmNa. This week's channeled message is from the nature spirits and it's entitled Balanced Creation. Greetings, namaste. We are a collective energy of the nature spirits. We come forth with our love, our respect, and our gratitude. For those of you who are extending your light far and wide upon the earth, we thank you dearly for the light that you share with the nature kingdom. And we wish for you to know that this light we share with you too. We collect your light, we enhance it, we magnify it, and we send it to you, to all of humanity, all beings, and Mother Earth. It is our purpose to magnify light and to enhance the vibration of light existing within Mother Earth. We wish to come forth and speak of balanced creation. We wish to invite you to begin to include us, the nature kingdoms and spirits of the earth, Mother Earth, in your own meditation time and manifestation projects. We wish to support you in creating your dreams, your desires, your soul's destiny upon the earth. We wish to share wisdom as to how we can support you in creating your dreams and desires. And we also wish to create a balanced creation. What this means is that as we join and unite in your energy, we will bring our manifestation vibrations and frequencies to that which you are manifesting. Therefore, it will be supported by the nature kingdom and the nature spirits. What this also means is that your dreams and desires will be aligned with creating higher vibrations for Mother Earth and all beings, and aligned with supporting the nature kingdoms. You might say, how can a dream or desire of a soul be aligned with nature spirits and Mother Earth? Say your dream is to become an interior designer, or maybe to own a car, or maybe your dream is to work with wood, to create something beautiful out of wood. Whatever your dream is, even if it is also to explore your own spiritual depths, it can be aligned with the nature kingdom. We can support your manifestation, and your manifestation can support the nature kingdom. You might ask, how can the manifestation of a car in your reality be aligned with the nature kingdoms and Mother Earth? How can it support the nature kingdom and Mother Earth? It may be that we offer guidance as to how to manifest your reality and your dreams and desires so that they support nature. Or it could be that when your manifestation anchors, that anchor activates new wisdom, energy, and love that is gifted to the nature kingdom. We, the nature beings, wish for you to accept our help. In meditation, quiet time, or manifestation, you can call us forth, the nature beings and spirits aligned with your soul, to come forth to support, amplify, fuel your creations, your dreams, your desires. You'll feel our energy. You may wish to breathe it in, to embody it. Then you may wish to think of that which you wish to create, to send energy and love to it, to ground it into your Earth Star chakra below your feet. Even the process of grounding into your Earth Star chakra below your feet will mean that our nature energies will be grounded into Mother Earth. This will create a beautiful activation for Mother Earth, where she can receive greater, higher frequencies, and for all beings and souls upon the earth. And when your dream, your desire manifests, this will also create an activation for the earth and the nature spirits. Because we are working in one, we are synthesizing, creating a unity. What also is being created, and this is immensely important, is a balanced creation. We will support you in remaining balanced as you create. Therefore, your creation will be born from balance. The balance of all things, and especially a balance with the Creator. What it also means is that all of your creations will be in balance with the earth, with the nature spirits, Mother Earth, all the realms. And when there is a balance between yourself and the nature or Mother Earth realms, everything manifests with greater ease and quickness. And this is immensely important at this time. Because when you are in harmony within your being and with your outside reality, there is a greater flow of the Creator, and everything simply manifests beautifully. You may also realize that accepting the help of the nature spirits means that additional beauty, creativity, grounding, power, and higher vibrations are anchored into your creations, your manifestations, dreams, and desires. And you in turn will be creating beauty for Mother Earth as well. You might find with our assistance that your dream, your desire slightly shifts. And this may be appropriate to align more with your soul and to be in balance with the earth. All creations are supposed to be in alignment with Mother Earth. There is a need to work together with Mother Earth, and when you do so, life is simple. And so we, the nature spirits, wish for you to contemplate a balanced creation with the nature spirits, with Mother Earth and all the realms. We wish for you to recognize all the gifts that we can give to you, and through this co-creation, the gifts that you will automatically and naturally give to Mother Earth and all beings. You may wish to call us forth to activate the energy and frequency of balanced creation within your being, and to synthesize our energies with yours to create a balanced creation to aid Mother Earth. We thank you for allowing us to come forth, to greet you and to share. We wish to be involved in all that you are creating upon the earth. We are co-creators, and we wish to co-create with you in order to bring forth balance and ascension activations. We love you deeply and we thank you. We are the nature spirits. Thank you for being present with me today, and I hope you enjoyed the channeling from the nature spirits. Something a bit different for us this week, and something to really contemplate, I think. The nature spirits are such a powerhouse, and a beautiful co-creation. Enjoy your week with the nature spirits, and I will see you next week. Bye. I'd be greatly honored and appreciative if you liked and shared my video today. My YouTube channel has so many channeled videos now, so please do explore those. And if you want more information about joining me on a live webinar or receiving the weekly message via email, please go to omna.org, omna.org, and you'll find so many different channeled material on my website. Thank you.